on this flip phone. While it's booting up, this is This is the original slogan they use for T-Mobile. It says, "Welcome," it says. In the bottom, you got your keypad, T0 to 9, pound, and star and pound, or hashtag key, whatever you call it. Your call and your answer and don't answer buttons. The don't answer button doubles as a power button if you hold it down, or power off if you hold it down. That shuts off the phone. Then you got your like square around OK button, which is like a directional arrow, and selector keys. The clear button if you're like typing in digits. If you type digits like this, you could clear them like that. Or if you're texting, which is kind of hard on this phone, like you do like that, and then it says the phone itself. There's T-Mobile Mall, which probably it's obsolete for today. So next is people or your contact, which I don't have. You could put in a contact list. Next, and media, which I could get photos on here, and I could get wallpapers too, and you could show your downloaded images. While it's loading, I don't know. It takes forever to load pictures of like images, music. Let's see what type of music. It gives you like these music. Like I'll show you the music player. Let's see how loud the speaker is. Let me put it next to the speaker. But the speaker's not loud on here. Probably the music's not loud enough. So let's try next. Yeah, look how loud the speaker is. Let me close that and then do that. That's how loud the speaker is. Call history. I'll skip through these. And this calendar. It's a calendar, alright. Yeah. Alarm. You could put in alarm. And then voice recognition if you have a SIM card in here. Tasks. Empty. Memo. Empty. Calendar. Calculator, I mean, not calendar. How many digits it could display at the same time? Oh, it does 15, like my phone. Oh, it overflows, like, if I do... Okay, let's see how many digits it could display in a calculator. No, I don't want to view the settings. I'll do the settings for last. Yeah. That's a calendar, yeah. I'm good to a calculator. Let's do 2 times 2 equals 4. Why'd that overflow this calculator? Let's see how much digits. Oh, it does overflows if I multiply by 2 that much. By if I do 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, if I do all those 9s, which you could focus, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, if I add that by 1, error, you can't do that. Once I do minus 22, yeah, that's it. It doesn't do above 15 digit. Tip calculator, yeah, you put it like an amount. World clock, you could see what time it's in the world, yeah. Converter, yeah, it's just a converter. And timer. Put a timer for 1 minute. Really, I'm not gonna do that. But that's a timer. Stopwatch. Is it stopwatch? Yeah. Whatever. Stopwatch and RSS reader, and that's it. For the mode back. It's not even focusing. It's like overexposing. I need to turn on the brightness because it's so bright. Oh my god, I can't see even the screen. Let's see. I'm turning this to 1, so there you go. Okay, so the settings, you could change any settings, you could reset it, and there's a software update, which I don't know what the version of this thing is. Software update. You could update the software of this thing. I don't know what the version number is. Does it say in the settings? Let's see. No, it doesn't say the version number. So, well, that's it. That's all I can say about this phone, flip phone. Thanks for watching.